But actually, there's a shortcut here if your Excel has a data analysis. So go to Home, Data. Here in Data, select Data Analysis. In Data Analysis, select Descriptive Statistics. And then click OK. Select the column, the whole ones that you want to compute, all of this. And then they are separated by columns. So column A and column B. They're not by rows, but by columns. Select label because we have names or label on the top. And then the output range is where you want your data to be. So I will select it here in D20. I will write it here. Or maybe here in A13. Maybe here in D20. I'll just write it here in D20. Then click Summary Statistics. So it will give you all the summary. And then, if you're ready, click OK. Now, we have the following data. It's very consistent to our previous solutions. So we have here the mean. That's the same with 29.1. It's also the same with the other value, 17.2. We have median. We can also see it here, the median, the mode. We have the standard deviation, 16, and the variance. Those are equal. So you can always use this shortcut, especially if your Excel has a data analysis tool pack. And then the range, we also have the same values for range. This will also say the maximum, the count, because we have 10 sample. We also see here the skewness, the count, the sum, if you add all of it. So this is a more complete data. So you can use this too.